What is good, S197 fam? I know it's been a long time since I had a YouTube video. Why? Had a lot of stuff going on. Still got a lot of stuff going on. Anyways, we still pushing past that. Why? Because we continue in our dream. Anyways, I got a nice little video today coming, so we did order some car parts. You know what came in, my boy? You know what came in? Damn motherfucking language. Yes, sir. Yep, so the headers did come in. We are gonna go right now to go put them on. It is me and Robert. We're going to a shop. Why? Because I'm not doing that. I'm just not. I did my coilovers. It already fell. Nah, I'm not doing that. Anyways, probably I'll start doing more stuff when I get more tools and probably in a better location. But as of right now, we are going to head over there, go put those on. I am gonna get a before, after, a lot of flybys, the cold start and everything, before and after. But I am catless. I do have an H pipe, and I have a muffler delete as well. It sounds pretty good right now. It pops a lot. Only thing I'm really looking for right now, I guess, is just a little bit of a deeper tone. But for the most part, I mean, it's really at where I want it to be until I actually start buying custom parts for the exhaust, like titanium. But it sounds pretty good, so we're about to head over there. Let's go ahead and get started on this cold start.
This whole fucking time, bro.
Yo, what is good, y'all? So we just pulled out to my man Jose's house. Oh, it's dark. There he is. We about to get started on this thing, boy.
Time to fucking start.
Getting to work, getting dirty. You ready to see this V8? Y'all ready to see this V8, y'all? Bang! Tiny ass and nigga 2-cylinder delete.
2-cylinder.
Right.
Quick release.
Right. We're about to go ahead and get started. I'm about to go ahead and get some videos of his car real quick because, like, you gotta show a nice car when you see one. Good, y'all. We got the first header off.
I don't think so. Can I recall? Oh, that shit is sick. I guess kind of like silent. Silent. We've been camping there for like 3 days. A couple of times.
All rusted, look ugly. It's hot. They literally feel as heavy as these ones.
It's hard to tell, bro.
Look at the difference.
And I worked in
Sheesh. Oh, pain, bigger.
Oh, this is pain. Yeah, I went out with.
Do you see that?
That was a painter.
I better be shooting flames, my boy. Nah, I'm just playing. Set those down nice and easy. Look at the comparison. It's not good lighting. But look at the way that kind of ends out of there.
I went to both, but I can't remember which one I went to recently.
How's that?
I heard Seattle like rains like every day.
It's all, anyways, it's all smashed down, so it's not like it's a good airflow that comes out of there.
I went in the middle of the snow, bro. Like,
yes, sir.
that shit was lit.
Hopefully it sounds better, even though it will, but yeah. And what is good, y'all? So they are somewhat, basically halfway fully put on. That made no sense, but you know what? They are on. Let's go ahead and get a quick. Sheesh. See that, my boy? Alright, let's go ahead and give it a quick start.
Bam.
You got Robert, my man, holding the camera.
Oh damn, turn it on.
Oh damn. I'm not ready. Oh damn. Oh, I can't wait to rip it in gear now.
It wasn't like that before, huh?
That was like a tiny tap. It would usually give like a little burp, but like that right there was a quick. Whoa. If I come back, it's probably because my clutch is blown. And what is good, you guys? So it is a complete next day from the whole everything I was doing yesterday, all the headers, all that hard work. Anyways, so just a quick explanation. It doesn't get that loud when you get the headers on. If you're already catless, before you put the headers on, just stay with the stock manifolds. It pops way more, it is louder, but when you do put the BBK Shorties on, it does give it like a tiny bit of a little deeper tune. But for the most part, it does feel a lot better. I was on the freeway driving home last night. It did feel like it was picking up a little bit more speed than usual. The throttle response was a lot better. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick cold start on how everything's going right now. So let's get right to it. Alrighty, what is good, y'all? And I am back. It is a complete another day, but this time I'm off of work and I'm not about to go into work. Alright, so two things. Disregard everything I said. My car sounds better. I actually like it a lot. It's actually growing on me a lot more than I actually thought. Honestly, at first I was like it made it quieter, nah, it's cool. But for the most part right now, I just want to go ahead and get some after clips of how it sounds, how it sounds outside of the car, and on my way home I'll get how it sounds inside the car. But right now I'm probably just gonna get some flybys and probably some revs, not too much, because I'm by a hospital neighborhood and I don't want to get no cops called on me or nothing. But let's go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up outside. There's like hella cars coming. Hopefully I'll be able to do this. It is so hot. Vegas is bipolar. Super bipolar. Oh God. And my car is dirty. Like completely dirty. So, and there she is back there. So let's go ahead and get some revs, see how she sounds. I was gonna get some tunnel exhaust, but I feel like that was cheating, but YOLO. Anyways, let's go ahead and hear how she sounds outside. And there it is. The headers, H-pipe, muffler delete, and I'm still on like everything else is stock. But I have some aftermarket exhaust tips in my garage that I'm probably gonna put on soon. But I have a lot of things coming. In like 2 days, I'm gonna be ordering some new stuff. So stay tuned to that. Let's get it, y'all. Big things coming to her. Changing.